Today, our topic is the nucleic acids. Nucleic acids were first isolated by Friedrich Mischer from the nucleus of pus cells. Due to their isolation from nuclei and acidic in nature, they were named as nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are of two types: deoxyribonucleic acids (DNA) or ribonucleic acids (RNA). DNA occur in the chromosome in the nuclei and in much lesser amount in the mitochondria and the chloroplast, while RNA is present in the nucleolus, ribosomes, cytosol, and in smaller amount in other parts of the cells. Before discussing further about the nucleic acids, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Nucleic acids are complex substances. They are polymer of units called nucleotides. DNA is made up of deoxyribonucleotides, while RNA is composed of ribonucleotides. Each nucleotide is made up of three subunits: a pentose sugar, a nitrogenous base, and a phosphoric acid. Pentose sugar in ribonucleotide is ribose, while in the deoxyribonucleotide it is deoxyribose. The compound formed by the combination of a base and a pentose sugar is called nucleoside. A nucleoside and a phosphoric acid combine to form a nucleotide, and each nucleotide of RNA contains ribose sugar, where sugar in each nucleotide of DNA is deoxyribose. ATP is an important nucleotide and used as the energy currency by the cell. So let's discuss about the DNA. DNA is the polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. It is the hereditary material and it controls the properties and potential activities of a cell. It is made up of four kinds of nucleotides, namely adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, cytidine monophosphate, and thymidine monophosphate. These nucleotides are united with one another through phosphodiester linkages in a specific sequences to form long chains known as polynucleotide chains. DNA is made up of two polynucleotide chains or strands. The two strands are coiled around each other in the form of double helix. The amount of DNA is fixed for a particular species as it depends upon the number of chromosomes. The amount of DNA in germ cell is one half to that of somatic cells. So the next is the RNA. RNA is the polymer of ribonucleotides. The RNA molecule occur as single strand which may be folded back on itself to give double helical characteristics. Nitrogenous bases form the usual complementary pairing: cytosine with guanine and uracil with adenine. RNA is synthesized by DNA in a process called transcription. Types of RNA. Three main types of RNA are messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and the last one is the ribosomal RNA. So first of all, messenger RNA. As the name indicates, it takes the genetic message from the nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm to form particular proteins. Messenger RNA carries the genetic information from the DNA to ribosomes, where amino acids are arranged according to the information in the messenger RNA to form specific protein molecules. This type of RNA consists of a single strand of variable length. The mRNA is about 3 to 4% of the total RNA in the cell. So the second is the transfer RNA. It comprises about 10 to 20% of the total cellular RNA, and the transfer RNA molecules are small, each with the chain of 75 to 90 nucleotides. It transfers amino acid molecules to the site where peptide chains are being synthesized. There is one specific transfer RNA for each amino acid. So the cell will have at least 20 kinds of transfer RNA molecules. Transfer RNA picks up amino acids and transfers them to ribosomes where they are linked to each other to form proteins. So the last type of the RNA is the ribosomal RNA. It is the major portion of the RNA in the cell and may be up to 80% of the total RNA. It is strongly associated with the ribosomal protein where 40 to 50% of it is present. It acts as a machinery for the synthesis of protein. On the surface of the ribosome, the mRNA and transfer RNA interact to translate the information from genes to a specific protein.